In this video, I will be walking through the schematics, code, and final demonstration for the distance detector project. These are the schematics for the basic electronics assembly for the ultrasonic sensor. For more information, refer to my ultrasonic sensor basic assembly video. These are the schematics for the basic operations of a liquid crystal display, or an LCD. For more information on this, refer to my LCD basic assembly video. Finally, here's the complete schematics diagram for the distance detector. Note that this essentially uses only the LCD and ultrasonic sensor. Now we can take a look at the software for the distance detector. We can see that it basically initializes the LCD and the ultrasonic sensor, and then runs through the standard commands used for the operations of the ultrasonic sensor, finishing by displaying the measurements on the LCD screen. Note that the schematics, code, and assembly instructions for these projects can be found on the Tinker Project's website. I have provided a link in the description of this video. Thank you. As you can see here, we have the final product fully assembled from an electronics viewpoint. Both the LCD and the ultrasonic sensor are connected to a breadboard, which routes to the Arduino Mega I decided to use for this project. Let's turn it on by plugging the Arduino Mega into our computer and pushing the code onto it. And we have ourselves a displacement device.